So today's topic would be the logic gates, first of all, and we'll start discussing this because it's a more technical topic we're talking right now when it's come to circuits of and how the operation is being performed. As we discussed about the decimal number, binary number, we talked about hexadecimal number and the octal number. And all these number systems are basically used in the computer system. Now, today we'll discuss about the logic gate and we'll discuss about the concept of Boolean algebra as well. Okay. Now, Boolean algebra is nothing but basically how we can actually perform the operation in the computer system. And when we discuss about this particular operations, as we know that the majority of the computer, that we always have the 0 and 1, that is a binary language form. Okay. And the Boolean variables which we use always, it is basically 0 is used for off, 1 is used for on. So it is also used in the case of voltage level representation as well for input and output terminal circuit in the computer systems. Okay. Now, when we discuss about these Boolean variables, as we know that it is basically works in the logic level, and that's why it is called logic gates. Okay. Now, voltage in the digital circuit is said to be logic level 0 and logic level 1. What the logic level 0 is nothing but whether we have a 0 watt, it is 0 level. Whether we have a 5 watt or any particular watt or any particular level we talk about, it is called level 1. So the computer, as we know that, always understand the binary language is in the form of 0 and 1. Okay. Now there are several other options like low, maybe low off means 0, low means 1, false for 0, high, on, true we can use for 1. So whenever we are using computer circuits, so the nomenclature like low, off, false, we can use it as 0. And when we discuss about this particular part, high, on, or true, we can use as 1. So it is simple, nothing but the representation of the values in the system. I hope so, guys. This first paragraph is clear. What is logic gates, first of all? Yes, students, is the first part clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, under Boolean algebra or Boolean calculation, when it comes to computers, we have basic 3 operations, that is AND, OR, and NOT. Okay. So when we discuss about all these important Boolean operation, that is called logic operations. Okay. Logic means definitely, as we know that whatever number of operations will the computer do perform, it basically consists of some sequencing, and the sequencing is called your logic gates. Okay. So basic function which we perform under Boolean algebra, it is AND, OR, or NOT. Okay. Now this is basically called the logic operations. Okay. These logic operations are basically used to prepare the digital circuit in the system, and this digital circuit is basically called the logic gates. Clear, guys?
Yes.
I think I can just sense that energy at 6 o'clock class is very different in comparison to class at 8 o'clock.
Yes, it is.
I can also feel that actually in the class.
Actually, sir, this 6 to 8 class is very lengthy.
Okay, today you had a class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, might be I think because my class again will shift to the 6 to 8 timing, might be next month, not this month actually, because this month is very occupied till 6:30 or 7 for me. That's the reason I shifted the class from 6 to 8 right now. Okay, and maybe I think next month we'll start with 2 subjects. Okay, simultaneously, 1 hour for one subject and 1 hour for another subject. So basically, you will cover at least 2 to 3 subjects in a particular month. Okay, so that I think is the planning we have for from the next month onwards. This month will go with the pace of this particular completion of computer fundamentals. Okay, now when we discuss about this logic operations, now we are discussing about certain symbols as well. Okay, it is basically called truth table. Truth table is nothing but basically how the logic circuit output depends on the combination of different logic inputs. Okay, so depends on the input, definitely the operation will be formed. As I told you, there are 3 operations we have. That is about the AND, OR, and NOT. Okay, now you can see this particular operation first of all. That is AND is an operation which includes that A to B will give you the output as C. Now, whenever we are performing AND, right, please, whenever performing AND, we are talking about A into B. We are talking about into Mr. Akhilesh, please can you mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. We are performing A into B. and result will be C. Now, for example, A, B, 0, 0. 0, 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So this is basically the output we're talking right now. It is called truth table. Truth table will basically give you an idea about the, depends on the type of input and the operation we are performing, that is AND. The result of your truth table may vary as well. That's definitely what we're discussing right now. It is a technical topic we're discussing right now because it's more about the internal working of the circuits which we use. Okay. It is more about like computer engineering. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Good. Is the first part clear? AND means A into B.
1 minute, sir. I know.
Yeah, please take your time. No need to hurry about. Yes, and please do it fast. Guys, done? I think. AND means multiplication. Guys, done? A into B, that is AND operations. Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Now we have OR operation. OR means plus. A plus B. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 1 is 1. Now the operation which you perform or the we can say the diagram which we use, it look like this. As you can see that this is look like B. This is more basically a curvy. It is basically A plus B. OR stands for plus. I think you might have know about Venn diagrams as well. It is similar to concept of Venn diagram. Okay. And we have not. Not means opposite of that. If it is 0, it is 1. If it is 1, it is 0. So that is C is equals to A bar. If you want to note down, please you can note down as well. The important operation, and for examination as well, it is an important topic. I hope so, guys. It's clear, or and not as well. Yes, waiting for response. Do it fast, guys.
Sir, one doubt is
Yeah, please tell me.
in fourth row, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. A plus
No. 2 we do not have in the binary system.
Okay.
Okay. So we either have 0 or either we have 1. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have next operation is AND. Okay. It means that what is AND? It is multiplication. A into B. Opposite of that. For example, 0 into 0 is 0. Opposite of 0 is 1. 0 into 1 is 0. Opposite of 0 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. Opposite of that is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Opposite of that is 0. So it is called an AND operation. Guys, make sure topic we're discussing right now, it is computer engineering topics. Okay. So I think we are not discussing in depth about like how the circuit means, how the circuit prepared, and all other aspects. Okay. We are just only simply discussing about operation which we used to perform. I hope so this is clear as well. AND. And similar to that, we have ANOR. As you can note down if you want, okay? Next we have ANOR, means A plus B ka opposite. That is 0 plus 0 is 0, opposite is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, opposite is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, opposite is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, opposite is 0. Guys done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as you can see that the diagram which we discussed right now, that is called AND and NOR. This particular operation we're talking right now, they are called universal gates. Okay. And when we discuss about like universal gates means it is basically used throughout the computer systems which you're talking right